Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Please sit down.
Please sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Please introduce yourself.
Sir, I am Rupali Gupta. I belong to Ludhiana.
Rupali?
Rupali Gupta, yes, sir.
Okay.
I did my schooling from Ludhiana itself.
Which school?
Sir, BCM Shastri Nagar. So thereafter, I completed my graduation from Punjab University, Chandigarh. So since then, I am preparing for judicial services.
Which year did you do your law?
So 2020.
2020.
Yes,
You
sir.
said did graduation in law or in other subjects?
Yes, sir, in law.
What are your hobbies?
Sir, I like reading Punjabi poetry.
Poetry?
Punjabi poetry, yes.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਲਿਖਦੇ ਵੀ ਹੋ?
नहीं सर, मैं पढ़ती हूँ सिर्फ.
ਕਿਹੜੇ ਰਾਈਟਰ ਨੂੰ ਪੜ੍ਹਦੇ ਹੋ?
सर, भाईवीर सिंह जी.
ਕੋਈ ਕਵਿਤਾ ਯਾਦ ਆ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ?
हाँ जी सर.
ਕਿਹੜੇ ਵਾਲੀ?
ਸਰ, ਵੈਰੀ ਨਾਗ ਤੇਰਾ ਪਹਿਲਾ ਝਲਕਾ ਜਦ ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਚੱਲਦਾ.
ਦੱਸੋ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਵੈਰੀ ਨਾਗ?
ਸਰ, ਵੈਰੀ ਨਾਗ
ਕਿਹਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਹੈ? ਜਸਟ ਡਿਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਦੀ ਸਬਜੈਕਟ.
Sir, it is the waterfall in the Kashmir, and the Bhai Singh ji has beautifully explained the beauty of the Charna, sir.
ਝਰਨਾ ਕਿ ਚਸ਼ਮਾ?
Sir, it is the, sir, we can call Charna and Chashma. Sometimes some people call
What
it
is the
Charna.
difference?
Sorry, sir, I do not know the difference.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਦੱਸੋ ਬਿੱਲ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕੋਰਟ 'ਚ ਪੇਸ਼ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਸਾਬਤ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ?
Sir,
Sometimes plaintiff files the case that the will which the defendant is claiming is illegal, null, void,
yes, sir.
fraud, ਕਈ ਕੁਛ ਲਿਖ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ. ਇਸ਼ੂ ਓਨਸ ਕਿਹਦੇ ਤੇ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਬਿੱਲ ਨੂੰ ਸਾਬਤ ਕਰਨ ਦਾ?
Sir, the onus is on the person who is asserting the things, sir.
ਉਸਨੇ ਕੀ ਸਾਬਤ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ? Apart from he has to prove the execution of the will.
Sorry, sir, I am not aware about that.
ਕਿਹੜਾ ਸਬਜੈਕਟ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਫੇਵਰਿਟ ਹੈ?
It's a Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, sir.
ਇੱਕ ਇੰਡੀਅਨ ਬੰਦਾ
हाँ जी, sir.
ਕਿਸੇ ਬਾਹਰਲੀ ਕੰਟਰੀ ਚਲੇ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ, ਉੱਥੇ offense commit ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਸ ਕੰਟਰੀ 'ਚ offense ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ, ਇੰਡੀਆ 'ਚ offense ਹੈਗਾ.
हाँ जी, sir.
Can he be tried in that country?
No, sir, not in that country.
ਕਿੱਥੇ ਟ੍ਰਾਇਲ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੀ ਹੈ?
Sir, if the person comes to India and
If he doesn't come,
sir, then the Indian court can ask for that person. However, if there is an extradition treaty about that, sir.
Is there any provision in CRPC regarding this?
Yes, sir. Sir, Section 188 states that if the person found anywhere in the India, they're dead.
Okay. Now, can we register an FIR? Now, suppose he belongs to Punjab.
Yes, sir.
He is found in Mumbai.
Yes, sir.
Can the FIR be registered in Mumbai?
Yes, sir. The FIR can be registered in Mumbai.
Any case you can remember of British times, which in this happened?
Sir, VD Sarkar case.
Yes, we Sarkar.
Yes.
Exactly. Okay. Our constitution, it was written in English,
Yes, sir.
and later on a Hindi translation was made,
Yes, sir.
and it was given constitutional recognition.
Yes, sir.
The Hindi constitution was given constitutional recognition.
Yes, sir.
By which article?
Sir, I cannot recollect the exact article, but I can try if the board permits me to.
Yes, please go ahead.
Sir, I believe it is Article 394, sir.
394A.
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. Absolutely. Okay, does res judicata apply to writs?
Yes, sir. Res judicata applies to writs.
All writs?
Sir, no. Sir, on the writ of habeas corpus, res judicata doesn't apply, sir.
Does constructive res judicata apply on writs?
Yes, sir.
It does. Okay. What about PILs? Does res judicata apply on PILs?
Yes, sir. Res judicata applies on PIL. However, there are two views. Earlier, it was stated that res
Which
judicata.
was that view earlier?
So, forward construction
Yes.
case. In
Okay.
that case, it was stated that res judicata will not apply on the public interest litigations. However, then the case of rural entitled legal in their case comes, in which it is stated that in certain cases it will apply, sir.
So what is the settled law on res judicata vis-a-vis PILs?
So the settled law is that if the question earlier raised the same and it is heard and decided, then res judicata will apply. However, if there is a public interest and a new question arises, then res judicata will not apply.
Very good, absolutely right. Okay, what constitutes the territory of India?
Yes, sir. So, the territory of India consists of Union Territory of India, states, and the any state which is later on acquired.
What about territory of India vis-a-vis IPC?
Sir, vis-a-vis IPC, the territory of India, it consists of the whole India, the territory, sorry sir, I am unable to recall as of
In
as of
J&K,
now.
is it applicable
Yes sir, it is applicable now, sir.
since the very inception?
No sir. Sir, after the, in the year 2019, the law passed, and after that, it is also applicable on Jammu and
What
Kashmir.
was the earlier law prevailing there?
Sir, earlier it was excluded that Indian
which
Penal
was
What
the
was
penal
the
code?
law there?
Sir,
Which was
Ranbir Penal Code used to apply there.
Okay, okay. Suppose there is a ship registered in India, and
Yes,
it
sir.
happens to be in a high sea,
Yes, sir.
and an offence is committed there.
Okay.
Which law will apply?
Sir, because it is the ship registered in India, so Indian law will apply
Will
according
it
to.
be taken as deemed territory of India?
Yes, sir. According to Section 4 of Indian Penal Code, sir.
If there is a foreign national ownership,
Yes, sir.
the offence which he commits is not offence in his country.
Yes, sir.
Still he can be tried.
Yes, sir. Sir, because the law of Indian Penal Code will apply because he is in the territory of India only, sir.
Okay. Suppose there is a American ship,
Yes, sir.
and an American captain murders a American Negro,
Okay, sir.
and then he comes and docks in Chennai,
Yes, sir.
and the Negro dies in India.
Yes, sir.
Which law will apply?
Sir, it is the American law which will apply and not the Indian law, sir.
So we'll have to extradite.
Yes, sir.
Why do you want to become a judge?
So it was during my internship period in my college days that we were supposed to visit the courts and to observe the court proceedings. So there I used to observe the court proceedings, and I feel very much connected and inclined towards the roles and responsibilities of a judicial officer, and sir, the aura of a judicial officer and the contributions a judicial officer makes in his life.
Ready for a tough life.
Yes, sir, I am. Sir, in addition to this, it was always my grandfather's dream to see me as a judicial officer.
What was your grandfather? Was he working in the
No.
legal field?
No, sir, he was a businessman, sir.
Okay, okay. Do you think that women prove better judges?
So we cannot distinguish that whether a woman or a man proves to be a better judge. It is upon the person and the work he is doing in his field. If it is done with the full dedication, full perseverance, dedication, then
What are the qualities of a good judge?
yes, sir. Sir, a good judge should be a hardworking, he should be a good listener, a patient judge, and having a logical bent of mind, looking for a logic and reason behind each and everything.
Suppose one person has issued a check in your favor.
Yes, ma'am.
You have a bank account in Amritsar, that's your home branch basically.
Yes, ma'am.
But you are currently in Chandigarh.
Okay, ma'am.
So you have deposited the check at Chandigarh itself. It got dishonored.
Yes, ma'am.
So where you are supposed to file a complaint, in Amritsar or in Chandigarh?
Ma'am, where the check dishonored, the complaint will be filed over there.
Okay, so I think you need to go to the Negotiable Instruments Act because there is a change in the provisions.
Okay, ma'am, I
So now you
understand.
can only file a complaint at Amritsar only.
Okay, ma'am.
Where your bank account, where is your home branch at that place?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. What is noting and protest?
Sorry, ma'am, I'm not aware about this.
Okay. So is transfer to unborn person valid?
Ma'am, transfer to unborn person is valid. However, it has to go through the provisions of Section 13 of the Transfer of Property Act.
So do you think Section 13 is an exception to Section 5 or an extension?
Ma'am, it is an extension to Section 5.
Okay. Which provision is the source of vested and contingent interest?
Ma'am, Section 19 talks about vested interest.
That defines.
Yes, ma'am.
Which provision is the source of vested and contingent interest?
Sorry, sir. Sorry, ma'am. I'm unable to recall it as of now.
It's section 5.
Okay, ma'am.
You're not smiling.
Okay, sir.
You'll
Are
be a
you
very
worried?
stern judge.
Are you worried?
No, sir. Actually, I am having very sore throat, and that's why
Oh,
I
acha,
have
you
to.
had sent me a message.
Yes, sir. I have to be in this look. If
Acha,
I will
acha,
smile,
acha.
it will flow out of.
But you're very good.
Thank you.
In my, at least as one member of the board, I would have selected. But you'll be I'll be very scared in coming to your court.
No, sir. It is actually my problem.
You put other person in raw.
Yeah, sir.
When the person coming before you,
No, sir. I
you
won't.
put him under raw.
All three are unanimous on this. You get 120 out of 150.
Thank you, sir.
I'm sure you will become a judge.
Thank you, sir.
Fuck up. Just do well and just be.
No, I am not going
Should I
to
comment on the dress?
Suit.
Okay, so what are you wearing?
Ma'am,
What are you
suit.
planning to wear?
suit.
So,
Okay, so pick a
Thoda
very
smiling
neutral
color.
and
हाँ जी सर.
डर लगता है
Same
आपसे.
color.
हाँ जी सर. Same color.
Just be little more smiling.
Yes, sir.
You're too stern.
Not
Right.
all the ways, but
Yeah.
sometimes.
Thoda.
Okay, sir. I will, sir.
Not laughing, but certainly smile
You
will
are-
add
Yes, to your person.
value to your question,
Sure.
answers you give.
I will, sir.
Well done, beta. Are you my student?
Yes, sir.
You studied from?
2019 batch.
Oh, okay. All the best.
Thank
God
you.
bless you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.